Hi guys, and welcome back on my YouTube channel where it is all about Amazon KDP. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit late with my income report for November, but if you can hear it in my voice, I'm still a little bit sick, so I apologize for the delay of my income report. But as I mentioned in today's video, I want to show you exactly my royalties for the last month of November 2023. And I'm very interested in your results, so write a comment with your results in royalties and sales for November. If you haven't done yet, feel free to subscribe. It's completely for free and you help the channel to grow. We are now at the order section, and as you can see, for the month of November, I sold 1,085 books through Amazon. This is an all-time high. I've never been sold that much units in a single month. And as you can see, Q4 is really hitting right now, especially since the 18th of November. You can see it in the rising lines on the chart. Oh, the most important thing, how much royalties are 1,085 units. As you can see, I was able to make 6,333 euros or $6,969, so almost $7,000 in a single month. And for all of you who are thinking about starting with Amazon KDP, it is never too late. You can start anytime. It's not too late. As I mentioned, you can still earn good money in 2023 or in 2024 next year. So start right now with publishing books on Amazon and make money online. As you already know, the almost $7,000 are not pure profit. We have to subtract the ad spend. For the German marketplace, I had ad spend of 2,590 euros. On Amazon.com, $9. Amazon FR, the French marketplace, 760 euros. And on the Spanish marketplace, 100 euros. So if we subtract $7,000 minus almost 3,300 euros, means a nice profit from November of almost 3,000 euros. So as I mentioned, I'm really interested in your results. Write it in the comment section down below. There's nothing more about to say. I wish you a very great day, and we will see us hopefully in the next income report for December 2023.